Context sensing in practice. So you can think about activity recognition. You would have sensors worn by people in their natural environment, like a smartwatch, for instance. You have accelerometer, gyroscope. They're becoming packed with sensors, and you can actually take advantage of all this sensing capability to understand what the user is doing, the actions, the interactions they have with people or with objects in a room, understanding their location and how this can play in automating the process inside a smart building, for instance. So the long-term vision for context awareness is to actually facilitate a range of applications. You can see them already developing for smart homes, smart cities, and for the manufacturing industry. So to take the smart homes as an example, the long-term dream of ubiquitous computing was to understand users' behavior and create systems that will be adaptive to their actions, to their behavior, to their intentions in the end, and just automate all the devices around that can offer more comfort to the user. Another application would be in smart cities, having sensors deployed throughout the entire environment, through the whole city, including those sensors worn by users, like they're using their smartphone or other sensing devices, could actually help to optimize some of the workflows in the city. You can think of smart transportation, for instance. You can observe patterns by just understanding users' trajectory in the city and optimize the transport route through those areas. But also for light, controlling the lights in the city can also be another application. But the first steps, I think, will actually happen in industry, in manufacturing industry, where you would have the production line already optimized with a lot of sensing technology and intelligent robots trying to identify faulty components on the conveyor belt. And instead of using humans on that production line, you would have more automation, and robots will take care of producing goods for us much cheaper and more conveniently.